this is John Facemire with REMAX Capital Properties, and today I'm here at Veterans Rock with Cindy, and I'd like for her to tell you a little bit about what they offer for veterans in the town of Cheyenne.
Well, we offer as much as we possibly can for our veterans. We've been here almost 3 years. We're on South Greeley Highway, 605 South Greeley Highway. We are on the east side of the road across South Greeley from Town and Country and Safeway. We start out helping them with groceries and food, yes, that's the same thing, clothing, furniture. We have a laundry and shower facility. They can come in if they've been homeless and need a shower. We can offer that, and they can wash their clothes at the same time, have a bowl of soup, watch TV while their laundry's working. We help with all kinds of things like rent. We help with short hotel stays. We help with water bills, minor car repair, just an unsundry of things.
You also have a lot of furniture and a lot of
do.
clothing items like that. How would one come in and get stuff like that? How would that work?
A couple of ways. They hear about us word of mouth, or they're referred from one of our community partners like Volunteers of America or the VA, Community Action. They come in and they have to have a DD-214, prove that they're a veteran, and they have to be in need. And then we just go from there.
And along with that 214, they need some type of identification,
They do.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And are there items that you need or always looking for, or just basically high demand type items?
We are always looking for coffee pots and toasters, coffee, food. We're pretty good on food most of the time because we have a slew of community folks that are very generous that bring us groceries quite often. We need small furniture, small apartment-sized furniture, always need dressers, always need kitchen table and chairs, just little ones. Love seats, recliners, those are the heavy-hitting items that we need.
Well, thank you, and I just wanted to say thanks for what you do to help veterans. As a veteran myself, I didn't know anything about your organization, but somebody brought it up at a meeting that I was in, and I'd seen the sign many times, had no idea what the sign was for, but then I came over and met with you guys and saw some things, and I think it's amazing what you're doing for the community, for the veterans, and supporting those veterans out there that need a little hand up, but a hand up to get them on and move them forward.
Yep.
Well, thank you very much.
We love doing it every day.